Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two keyword research tools platform, which is Semrush and Similarweb. So let's get started with the in-depth HTH comparison between the two. So Semrush in 2025 is still one of the most complete keyword research and SEO platform on the market. It delivers huge keyword database, difficulty scores, SREP analysis, content ideas, and competitors tracking all in one dashboard. Marketers love how it ties keywords data directly to the site audit, backlink building, and content optimization, making it a go-to tool for growing traffic and planning campaign from start to finish. So, Similarweb, by contrast, is not a pure keyword research tool. It's a traffic intelligence and a market analysis platform. It can show you the search teams and channel driving traffic to competitors, but its strength lies in high-level insights like market sharing, referral sources, and audience behavior. It's more about strategy benchmark that build a list of actionable keyword. And here's the overall conclusion about the two platforms. So choose Semrush if your goal is detailed actionable keyword research to fuel your SEO campaign, but go with Similarweb if you need a big picture traffic and a market data to guide broader decision. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Maybe turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.